be a whole ordeal, and I'm ready for it.
But before we get to all that, let's go back to where this all started. Alright guys, we have signed all the paperwork. The Blue Bunny is officially off to Los Angeles, California, and in good hands. Well, at least I thought it was in good hands. So after 3 years of regret and sadness, I came across something interesting on Facebook Marketplace, and it was in Houston. So I did what any car guy on Facebook Marketplace does. I swiped up and I sent him an offer. An offer that at the time I thought was outlandish, but as I came to learn more about what had happened to my baby over the years, it became clear to me that I was possibly in over my head. Casting my doubts aside, I continued to negotiate for 4 months, and with patience like I'd never exhibited before, we find ourselves here today. Well, hello again, you guys. I am so nervous. More nervous than I've ever been. Almost like I'm getting on a plane. I'm that nervous. The reason being, I've been working this deal that we're about to go do for like 4 months now. And my goodness, if this slips through my fingers again, I'll never forgive myself. You'll see in about a minute. Hey, that S14's for sale. That's not what we're buying today, but we're buying something cooler. Hopefully everything goes well. Pray for me, fingers crossed. But if this video is on YouTube, then I think you know where this is going. After a short drive, we pulled up to the meet spot, and I got to see the car for the first time in a long, long time. We signed all the paperwork, did the deal. There's a couple pieces of paperwork in there that I'm not entirely sure of. This is my first time ever buying a car private sale, so I pray that it doesn't cause any issues down the line when I have to go to the DMV this week. But crossed the I's, dotted the T's, you know what I mean? And bada bing, bada boom, we made the deal happen. Alrighty, we did it. This is going to be a whole ordeal, and I'm ready for it. What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today I'm quite happy to say this. We have bought back the car that started it all, the Scion FRS with a wide body kit, boy. Let's go! So as you know, or as if you don't know, I work at a wrap shop, customization shop. So this is like the perfect time in my life to rekindle my love with this bad boy. And we're gonna take care of her. We're gonna get her all fixed up. Just probably need some engine work, definitely cosmetic work. The wrap's coming off, or might get new wheels. The list is endless with this thing, guys. Just trust me. I know this was a fan favorite on the channel. You guys have been sending me the Facebook Marketplace listing for this car for the last like 3-4 months, and it finally freaking happened. So full circle moment, and once again, I couldn't be happier. I got this car when I met Jordan, and now we're all here together again. Now, as glorious as that might sound, there's a couple things, and by couple I mean a complete laundry list of things that are wrong with this car. Not how I left it. As you can see, the front bumper and fender are not in the best shape. However, that appears from first glance to be the only part of the kit that will need some replacing. Everything else, some minor little scratches, nothing that the wrap can't fix. And yeah, everything is just how I left it, except the kid that I sold it to added some shitty underglow. So something's going on with the car. The check engine light's on, can't go over 2,000 RPMs. But hey, this is exactly what I signed up for, and I honestly couldn't be happier.
1 hour later.
Well, guys, we are back home in the studio. And my goodness, what a morning. I was not expecting to buy the car back today, but I thought it was going to be Monday or Tuesday. But bro texted me, said, hey man, I got the car back. Let's get it done. So your boy went, pulled out the moolah, and we went and got it done indeed. Now, as I said in the previous clips, the car is less than perfect, you could say. But that's going to be part of the fun of having it again. It didn't have a check engine light when I test drove it 2 weeks ago, but now it does. So I'm going to figure that out tomorrow or Monday. You guys are going to see this video on Saturday, hopefully the same day, so I can post on Instagram and all that stuff, because I have been dying to post on Instagram again. I've been slacking. I don't really want to post for the GTI because I feel like that's just too much of a daily to do reels and stuff about. But now I have a purpose-driven project car, 100%, and it is the fan favorite. Over the course that I haven't had the car, it's exchanged hands twice. The kid I sold it to, which you guys saw in the video saying goodbye to the FRS, that guy, I think, is the one that did most of the damage. After looking it over, the front bumper is definitely in need of replacement. The fender might be able to be fixed if I can find a fiberglass shop. But we're going to go into everything that's wrong with the FRS in the next video. So whenever I get back to work Monday, or I might even go in tomorrow and just film, we're going to figure out a lot of stuff. But we're going to take the wrap off, take the kit off, inspect for any other damages, and kind of plan from there. But I want to get the check engine light sorted out first. And I think I might have a reason why it's on, so I cannot wait to show you that. So stay tuned for that video. But yes, I've seen everyone's messages. We got her back. She's back in Sinclair Photos HQ and will never leave again. Mark my words, don't let me do it. The blue bunny, that might not be blue for much longer, will never leave the collection and will be a staple forever and ever, amen. And we're gonna drop more merch probably, so you guys stay tuned for that. Once we get everything situated, I cannot wait to do this with you guys. Send this to your friends and family that may have left the channel long ago. Tell them the blue bunny's back. Check out Sinclair Photos, and yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys when it's back home or in the shop. Whatever we're gonna do with it, we're gonna have fun. So stick around on this journey with me. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.